light shine.
Guys, guess what? I just found out this really cool thing about cycles in nature. Let me know in the comment section below if you know something about nature. Well, I know that paper, if you go to the dump or if you watch Bluey on Disney Plus, you can find out that paper is actually in a cycle. So it gets mushed up and then it goes inside this little place and then it gets mushed up and turned into new paper. And then trees have a cycle because it starts out as a seed. And then it grows up into a little spout, and then even bigger, and then even bigger, until it's fully a grown adult. And then it starts dying, and then it produces some seeds, and then it goes back and back and back. Well, let me know, guys, if you know something else about nature, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and always let your light shine. Bye.